Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a beautiful crepe paper flower. First, gather your materials. You'll need crepe paper in your desired colors, floral wire for the stem, and sharp scissors. A hot glue gun is crucial for assembly, and a ruler will help with precise measurements. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the petals. Cut your crepe paper into rectangles about 2 inches wide and 3 inches long. For a natural look, gently stretch the center of each piece, forming a slight cup. This gives the petal a lovely curve. Then, trim the top edge of each petal, shaping it into a rounded or pointed tip, depending on your desired flower type. With your petals ready, it's time to build your bloom. Take a piece of floral wire for the stem. Attach your first few petals tightly around one end of the wire, securing them with a small dot of hot glue. Continue adding petals, overlapping them slightly and working your way around the center. This layering creates a full, realistic flower shape. To finish your flower, you can add green crepe paper leaves to the base of the bloom, securing them with glue. For extra realism, gently curl the edges of your petals using a pencil or your fingers. Don't be afraid to experiment with different paper colors and petal shapes to create a variety of unique and beautiful crepe paper flowers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.